Hello, students. Once again, you are most welcome here in this chapter, The Thief's Story. This is the third part of this chapter, and here you have to see from page number 10. As in the last video, I have explained you the first and second phase and also the two passages from this page when the story starts in a very thrilling mode as Anil comes his home with a bundle of notes, and the great greed appears in the mind of the thief Hari Singh, and he noticed all about the bundle of notes where Anil is keeping the bundle, and now he started to think how he steal the money. Now let's see from here. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now let's see. The thief Hari Singh says that he was working for Anil for almost a month. मीन्स अनिल के लिए काम करते हुए उसके लिए 1 महीने का दिन बीत चुका था, और अब शॉपिंग करने जब वो जाता था तब भी वो चीटिंग करता था. इसके अलावा भी शॉपिंग में चीटिंग के अलावा और दूसरा कोई चीटिंग का काम अभी तक उसने अनिल के साथ किया नहीं था. I had every opportunity for doing so, and to do any activity to cheat Anil, he had lot of opportunity because Anil had given him a key to the door, and very easily he can in and out everywhere in the room. There was no foundation for him, so he was very pleased. And this is the big matter for the thief, that Anil is a very trusting person, and he trusts a lot for the thief Hari Singh. So this was a big matter of joy for the thief. Now you see from here, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. The thief says that Anil trusts him too much, so this was the big reason for him to cheat, to rob the man Anil. Why? Because he trusts him too much. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Here the thief says that a thief has a great opportunity to rob greedy men because they are very easy person, and they provide them chance to steal them very easily, as they have also a great greed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. But here he says about this man Anil that he was a very careless person. He had left everything for the man Hari Singh who was the thief, and he believed him so much. So that's why this was a big reason for the thief to understand about his mind that he never noticed what is robbed by the man or not. And sometimes it was the matter of joy for him that he live in pleasure, uh, and live in pleasure when he go out of the work. And at that time he also never pay attention that where he had left his house just uh, in the caring of a unknown person. He never cared all about it. So, well, it is time I did some real work. Now, the thief says that this is the time for him, and he had to do some real work, means a work related to his theft. I told myself I am out of practice, and the thief says that he is now out of practice, means काफ़ी लंबे समय उसको हो गया था, पिछले 1.5-2 महीने से कोई चोरी नहीं किया था. एंड इफ़ आई डोंट टेक द मनी ही विल ओनली वेस्ट इट ऑन हिज फ्रेंड. अब वो सोचने लगा कि इस पैसे को चोरी करना ही बेटर रहेगा. अगर इस पैसे को चोरी नहीं करेगा तो इस पैसे को वो अपने फ्रेंड्स सब सर्कल के ऊपर ले जा करके खर्च कर देगा. आफ्टर ऑल ही डजंट इवन पेमेंट. और जब सब खर्च कर देगा तो उसको पेमेंट भी नहीं देगा, पैसा भी नहीं देगा. तो उससे बेहतर है पैसे की चोरी वो कर ली. ये सारी प्लानिंग थीफ करने लगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर 3 क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. रीड एंड फाइंड आउट हाउ डज द थीफ थिंक अनिल विल रिएक्ट टू द थेफ्ट, एंड व्हाट डज ही से अबाउट द डिफिकल्ट रिएक्शन ऑफ पीपल, एंड व्हेन दे आर रॉब्ड डज अनिल रियलाइज दैट he has been robbed. These are the questions. You have to write the answer of these questions. Now, Anil was asleep. Anil was asleep. This was the time of night when Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. And at the night, the moonlight was scattering through the balcony, and it was hanging just over the bed where Anil was sleeping. I sat up on the floor considering the situation, and the thief was also sitting on the floor in the balcony, and he was trying to read the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 एक्सप्रेस टू लखनऊ. और सोच रहा है कि अगर उस पैसे को ले लिया तो बड़े ही आराम से 10:30 की जो ट्रेन थी लखनऊ के लिए उसको पकड़ सकता था. स्लीपिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लैंकेट आई क्रेप्ट टू द बेड. इसलिए ब्लैंकेट से सरकते हुए आगे बढ़ते हुए वो अनिल के बिस्तर तक पहुंच गया. अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. हिज फेस वॉज क्लियर एंड अनलाइन. और जब अनिल के पास पहुंचा तो पाया कि अनिल बिल्कुल पीसफुली सो रहा था. उसका फेस जो था वो बिल्कुल क्लियर था, अनलाइंड था, बिल्कुल शिकन उसके फेस पे नहीं था. मीन्स ये सो कर रहा था कि बिल्कुल नींद में सो रहा है. इवन आई हैड मोर मार्क्स ऑन माई फेस दो माइन वर मोस्टली स्कार्स. एट दैट टाइम ही नोटिस दैट Anil's face was very clear without any line as he was sleeping properly. But the face of thief, means Hari Singh, was fully had more marks, as he was going to do a job related to his business. My hand slid under the mattress, और फिर अपने हाथ को उस मैट्रेस के नीचे वो डाल ही दिया. मैट्रेस में सोता है गद्दा, उसके गद्दे के नीचे डाल ही दिया. सर्चिंग फॉर द नोट, और नोट्स को सर्च करने लगा. व्हेन आई फाउंड, और फाइनली जब नोट्स को पा गया, आई ड्रीव देम आउट विदाउट अ सेकेंड, तो तुरंत अपने हाथ को वहाँ से वो खींच लिया नोट के साथ. अनिल साइड इन हिज स्लीप एंड टर्न्ड ऑन हिज साइड टूवर्ड्स मी, और अनिल जो नींद में था अचानक घूमते हुए इसकी तरफ वो मुड़ा, इसकी तरफ करवट बदला. आई वॉज स्टार्टल्ड एंड क्विकली क्रॉल्ड आउट ऑफ द रूम. जैसे वो इसकी तरफ घूमा, ये चौंक गया, डर गया, और सीधे रूम से तेजी से बाहर भागा. When I was on the road, I began to run. और अब जब सड़क पे आ गया तो कोई बहुत जोर से भागना शुरू कर दिया. At the notes at my waist held were by the string of my pajama. और अपने नोट्स को अपने कमर में लपेट लिया था, जो कि उसके पैजामा की डोरियों में पकड़ा हुआ था. वहाँ से गिरने की चांसेस नहीं थे, पैजामे की डोरी के अंदर लपेट के रख लिया था. आई स्लो डाउन टू अ वॉक, जब काफ़ी आगे निकल गया तो रुका और काउंटेड द नोट्स, स्टार्टेड टू काउंट द नोट्स. मीन्स व्हेन ही वॉकड फॉर अ लॉन्ग distance, after that he stopped there and he started to count the money. He found 600 rupees 50s, means there were 12 notes of 50s and the amount was 600. Now I could live like an I'll reach Arab for a week or two. He is extremely happy at that time when he counted the money, and it was clear to him that the total sum is 600. He began to think that the amount is sufficient to him to enjoy 1 or 2 weeks like ऑयल रिच अरब, मीन्स अरबियन की तरह काफ़ी एक लग्जरियस लाइफ अब वो 1 से 2 सप्ताह तक बिता सकता है. ये सारी बातें अब वो सोचने लगा. एंड नाउ ही इज़ सो फार फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ अनिल एंड ही हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू लीव द एरिया एज ही हैड नाउ अ हैंडसम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. Okay, students, therefore the thief was succeed to steal the money. He was succeed to cheat Anil's belief, Anil's trust, and now in the next video you will study that what happened just after. Okay, now goodbye everyone.